back to the channel. This is a contest for me in the channel.
Simply Wooden Creations.
Simply Wooden Creations. Simply Wooden Creations.
Thank you, Mr. Clarity.
Thank you, Mr. Clarity.
Woo! Are you in kindergarten?
Yeah.
Do you like Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Do you know that Simply Wooden Creations has Santa Claus come and visit? You didn't know that? Santa Claus comes and visits Simply Wooden Creations at Christmas time. Would you like to see Santa Claus on Simply Wooden Creations?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
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 What kind of things would you like to tell? What kind of things would you like to tell Santa Claus if you had the chance?
I want a unicorn.
You want a unicorn?
Hi guys, we are on the next step. We draw the line. We're going to cut that line and we're going to make some hearts.
Okay, so put your hands down. And one there and one down here. Ready? Okay, here we go.
Welcome everybody back. We just showed you how to cut this board in half. We are now gonna switch over the hearts. We have 3 squares to cut out, and we have 6 pieces of tape on all of the layers. And we are gonna swirl all those, and welcome to the next channel. Bye!
Perfect. Okay, put your hands down. Yeah, away from the blade. I'm going to turn it on.
Woo!
Yeah, perfect right there.
We did this, and then I'm going to pull it apart. This is what it looks like.
So what are you doing, Rayanah?
Standing my project I did. Hi guys, we are now cutting our pictures out, and I'll show you them. This one. There's my head.
And what are you going to do with all those pictures?
Put them on the thing, put them on my hut, and then send it to my mommy.
Yay! And other people that you love, right?
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are making some glue right now for the pictures, but we're putting it on our hearts. So I got this big giant pan.
What's that, Rayanah?
That's sugar for the glue.
Sugar for the glue.
I don't know what sugar has in the glue. So you can eat it?
Well, you could eat this glue, but just because we're making it for a project and not for food, we're gonna say don't eat it, right?
Don't eat it, only us.
No.